Hi guys, and welcome. I am Candace, your independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and look what I got today. So I got my hands on the new Stampin' Up! Trimmer and the new suite that will be available to you guys in November. So let's dig in to these goodies. I also got some extra goodies here. Okay. So first things first is the trimmer. So now I want to tell you guys there's no release date on customer orders for the trimmer, and that is because they want to make sure that we as demonstrators are satisfied and that there aren't any hiccups before it's rolled out to you guys. So we don't know when exactly it's going to be released. So here is the trimmer. Now this retails for $25. Okay, so you're going to get a cutting blade and a scoring blade, one of each. Let's see, is there anything on the back of this? No. This right here comes out. This comes out. So this almost reminds me of my Fiskars trimmer. Let me see, this comes out. So there's no mat here. I wish there was like a little thing, I'm talking, I don't think you guys can see. A thing right here to help guide you, because on my Fiskars, when I'm doing certain cuts, there's a little wire right here that lets you see the precision. But the way that this is, this should be fine. And this is coated with a protective plastic that eventually I will take off. Let me put this. Okay, so let's just cut a piece of paper. Let's see here. What do I have just sitting here? Okay, so I have a piece of foil paper. So in this one here, you don't have any buttons that you slide and push this to lock. You just, and there you go, nice cut. Scoring. Wonderful, nice score line. Okay. So let me compare this here. So this is the old trimmer, which it only went out to 14 inches. This here goes out to 17, and you can see it right there. And then if you're only using this side, it gives you this nice little buffer right here. Okay, I do like the blades. Let me see. I do like how this one's a little bit darker. Like this one, this is lighter than this. So this is heavier. But I do like it. Okay, so we were also able to pick up one pack of blades. So you get 4 in a pack, which is good. And I don't remember how much this costs to get 4. But this is a really good value, because normally you only get 2. And this makes me wonder. Let me see something. Oopsie, now I'm just really curious. Let's see. All right. So now I'm just a little bit curious, guys. So, nope. I was hoping that maybe the other blade will fit, but it doesn't. Okay, just put this, snap this back in. Okay, so I really like this trimmer. We have a new suite called Christmas Time is here. I got 3 packs of the paper, 1 that came with the suite, and then I was able to order 2 more. Then I got the gold ribbon, and this is called Gold Shimmer Ribbon, and this is 10 yards at a quarter inch width. I also got 3 packs of the golden enamel dots, and you get 160 in a pack. Let's see. Okay, so this is the bundle, and this will be available November 1st. And so this is the first set where you're going to get a photopolymer and a cling set. So this is your cling and your photopolymer. So this one is, I believe, distinctive, and this one is more of your outline. And I don't know if you can pair these two together. Well, you know what? Let's see. I'm just trying to see something here real quickly. It looks like you should be able to. You should be able to. But we'll try that out. We'll see. And so in the bundle, you're going to get a set of dies. Okay, and these are the dies that you get, and this cuts out the whole flower. Then you have some filigrees, that's what I call them, some borders, then some tags. Very cute. I actually like to flip my die things around. Okay, and then let's quickly look at one of the papers. So this is a specialty paper because there's some gold foiling. Okay, so let's see how does this go. So you have gold foiling on here. And then this is the flip side. So you get, I did see 6, so you get 4 each, double-sided. And then this one here. This is pretty. Then you get 4 of these. I love that gold trim. And then I wonder, nope, this, This actually looks too big. Oh, but nope. It fits. So you can die cut these. Now these ones you will have to fussy cut. Unless by the miracle of God, they got this to fit. Okay, no. You just never know sometimes. But yeah, so at least these ones here, you can die cut. The other ones you'll have to fussy cut. So this suite and the products within this suite is only available while supplies last. So this is something that you're going to need to get quickly once it premieres next month. And if you purchase this suite through me, you will get an exclusive tutorial bundle using these products. I'll deal with that later. Now, I also picked up a few other things. So those are the new products that is going to be new to everybody. Oh, I almost forgot. This here. You get a bracelet in this suite. So if you have a honey who you want to give this as give you the suite as a Christmas gift, you can get a cute little bangle bracelet. This is so pretty. Cause it's like the ones that my cousin makes. I have a bangle just like this, but it's silver. And it has a rose and the Stampin' Up logo. Let's see my hand. Now, with these kind of bangles, they do stretch. And it stretches. But it fits. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. I love bangles. My cousin makes bangles, so I've been slowly getting more and more into bangles with charms and things like that. So these seem to be in style nowadays. Let's see if I can get it off. Yeah, it's a little tight, but these things, they stretch. They're made to stretch. Okay. So, I picked up as the Hostess set. That is the greatest part of Christmas. I've been wanting this. I wanted to pre-order this when we did our pre-order back in August, but we couldn't do that at that time. This is a cling set. And I really do. I love the sentiments on here. Nice big greetings. Something that you could put on the outside and the inside of your cards. Just amazing. So you do have to spend $150 to be able to get that stamp set. So I picked up the Holly Jolly Christmas bundle, not the suite, just the bundle, because I've been eyeing this thing forever, but I took it off my list. And so when I did this order, I decided to go ahead and add it. And because I love the little Santa Claus, I love the Love Santa sentiment. And I love the dies. How many dies you get in here? 7. Okay, and these are the dies. So you got some tags, a little present, the stocking, the Santa, then you have Santa with his reindeer, and then you get 2 sentiment dies. Tis the season, and I don't know what this one says. Something jolly. It looks like it says too jolly. Okay. I hope you guys probably missed the first day, but I started my 12 weeks of Christmas. And that's only for my newsletter subscribers. So if that's something you want to participate, if you want to get the remaining 11 weeks, you need to sign up for my newsletter. And then I have 3 more days of the 5 days of Halloween that is only exclusively for my email subscribers also. So you're going to want to get up on that if you want to participate in those projects. So I also picked up some more of the Shimmer Crystal Effect. Some more of the ice stamping glitter. Love this stuff. I got, what is this one? The Snowflake Sequence. Now I didn't get the Snow Globe bundle, which these will be wonderful for, but I thought these were pretty and I wanted it. So I got it. Okay. Okay, the new purple posy is in the house. Now, I think they are supposed to be sending us, those of us who ordered these already, they're supposed to be sending us another one. I'm still waiting for it. So I went ahead and just purchased it so I can have it. So there's that. And then last but not least, I got 2 more packs of the Feels Like Frost paper. This is on low inventory. So if this is something you want, I advise you to get it now. When I did my pre-order, I got 3 packs. So I ordered 2 more just because I love it. It's so pretty. I mean, I don't know how you could even resist this. It's really pretty. Okay, I'm gonna stop glossing over the fact that it's just so pretty. But it really is pretty. What is this? Okay. Let me stop because I'm glossing over it. Put these away. Okay. And so that is all that I have for you guys today. So I'm still here. I'm still creating. I have other crafting things that I do. So right now, business is a little bit up right now, working on party favors and things like that for a couple of friends / clients of mine. So I've been a little bit busy lately. So, but I'm still here. Just wanted you guys to know that. Don't forget to sign up for my email list so you can participate in the remaining 3 days of Halloween and the remaining 11 weeks of Christmas. Alrighty, thank you guys. Bye.